boy, we're all decked out for 4th of July, and Ellie just lost her hat, her little bow. All right, well, this way we're all dressed the same. She doesn't get any extra goodies than I do. As you can see, the lion and lioness are, well, actually, they're both male lions, but anyways, they're all decked out with their glasses on and their Uncle Sam lion hats. Yeah, everybody's looking good today. So we're wishing everybody a happy 4th of July, safe and happy holiday, and no fireworks tonight. So we're just having a good time. Stay tuned. Mom's making us special hot dogs, and we got Krispy Kreme donuts too. Oh boy, we're really celebrating. Good girls. Oh, and the photo's over.
She'll come back.
Come on, Maddie, that was it. False alarm. All right, good girl.